Now there, from 4th October to 10th October, we will have a spiritual camp, and the theme is Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Whereas this puja ceremony will begin from 8th of October and conclude on 10th of October. So those of you who have not known all these details, please, you can visit our website of Chinmay Mission or inquire, and then you can sponsor this. Alright, whichever you can inform your relatives and friends, and they can also participate in this. All of you who came here from these different places, I thank you wholeheartedly. We actually didn't have much time also to advertise this program particularly, because it was decided only very some time back, because when we saw that a mandir now is ready, we can have this function. So thereafter only we started working at it. So we could not inform everyone. But all of you, those who came to know, I am very glad they are here. Many of our acharyas and brahmacharis are also here. From tomorrow we are going to have a senior acharyas conference. They will participate in that. And we have to plan many things about the mission. Alright? So this I wanted to give some information to you all. Few words in Marathi. मागच्या वर्षी मी तुम्हाला एक वचन दिलं होतं आणि त्याप्रमाणे हनुमान जयंतीच्या दिवशी इथे एक उत्सव पण झाला होता, कीर्तन झालं होतं आणि म्हणजे कोळवणचे ग्रामवासी आहे त्यांनी आपल्या चिन्मय विभूतीसाठी नेहमी पूर्ण सहयोग त्यांनी दिलेला आहे. त्यांना मी नेहमीच जसे हे कार्य वाढत जात आहे आणि ते इथे पाहतील तेव्हा त्यांना पण आणखी विशेष त्याची माहिती मिळत राहील. आणि इथे आपले जे कार्यक्रम होतील ते फक्त इंग्रजीतून नाही होणार. When Swamiji started his speech, he started talking about Bal Vihar and the values. Do you know these days, these our TV media, internet, television, they have become very, very powerful. You hear so much that our children are glued to TV. Now when these media are available, they can be used for constructive purposes also. You know that this Ramayana serial, Mahabharata serial that which appeared on TV, that was very popular. You know that. There are so many other serials that are regularly coming. Now someone started even on the Ravana. Now that is not a very wonderful thing. Maybe they are like Ravanas, why have to make them glorify Ravanas? I don't know. But our Chinmay mission, we started, when our Puja started with teachings of the Upanishads. And have you watched any serial of Upanishads so far? No. So now our Chinmay mission has taken up a project of producing a TV serial on Upanishads. And it's not only consumed, we have started working on that. And the name of it is Upanishad Ganga. Serial's name is Upanishad Ganga. Now we are the producer. We have never entered this kind of field. But we need all other help and support of those people who are in that field. So we have already contract with Wisdom Tree. And the director we have appointed is Dr. Chandra Prakash Dwivedi, who produced, directed and acted Chanakya. Have you seen that? So his brother was a producer. Technically his brother was a producer, but he was a director and he also acted as Chanakya. And that team is working. And something interesting I want to tell you. It's about, we have written a script for 13 episodes. And how it will be, don't ask me because that is the suspense. Our acharyas are working very seriously on the concept. But because the Upanishad theme is, it is very good for our Upanishad talks and all that, but to depict in the form of a movie is a very difficult and challenging job. Even they find it difficult. We also don't know how to do that. But slowly things are working out. So 13 episodes are ready with the script and all that. And the crew went to Varanasi. And we thought that they may be able to start the shooting, actual shooting on 6th or 7th of April. But to our surprise, when we were doing puja here, we got a call from there, Varanasi, that the camera started rolling. Starting from Varanasi or Kashi Vishwanath Bhagwan's place, so I think we are going in the right direction. These are the signs of blessings. And I am more eager than you to see how it will be. Nobody knows how it will be, but I know it will be good. So, well, don't ask immediately where it will come and all that. Patience. Everything will come in time. Now, before I conclude, here is one announcement of Chinmay Yuva Kendra Pune wants me to make. You know, our Chinmay Mission has got a youth wing called Yuva Kendra. And this Chinmay Yuva Kendra, now in the Pune, they are organizing a youth camp, 5 days residential camp for youth. And youth, the eligibility is age of 16 to 28. Did you know that? 16 to 28. Because sometimes when 50-year-old man says, I am young at heart, I want to join them. But it is not allowed. So it is for 16 to 28. And this will be held at camp. Dates are 26th to 30th May. And venue is a mini Shatrunjay temple that is in Pune. And all the details of that are given here. They are distributing this. And these acharyas who will be conducting this, Swami Vimalananda, Brahmachari Satvik Chaitanya, and Brahmachari Shailesh Chaitanya. So there are 3 of them will be in charge of this camp. And the theme is Victorious Youth. The name is Victorious Youth. Now, you may say that age is said 16, why are you telling us? Because there are many of elder, other age, but you have your children, sons and daughters of that age, maybe grandchildren. Please inform these things and let them participate in this program. Now, to conclude, we again chant Bhagwan's name. Because Adi Madhya Avsan, Bhagwan's name must be there. They will be just right on time for our most awaited program. One of us will have our Prasad in new dining hall that is called Annashri.